Today I'm going to be installing my CBI ditch light brackets. I ordered these from Rock Your 4x4, and when you order these things from CBI you don't get any kind of instructions, so I'm going to figure this out. The only thing I know is this is driver side, so I'll figure this one out first and then I'll show you how I did the other one. So this is the passenger side hood mount. Got a P, passenger, they keep it simple. It goes under the hood here and then it mounts on the hood mount. These are 12mm bolts. What I did on the other side is I undid one at a time. So I'll take this one out completely and then I'll use the new bolt the CBI provided to secure the front side. The CBI bolt is a 13mm. Then once the front is secured, I will undo the back one and secure that. That way I don't need to take the hood off at all. I don't need to worry about lining up this hood mount at all. This little hose is getting in the way, so I just undid the tab right here and moved it out the way. I don't know if you saw that, but when I moved this bracket around, I accidentally loosened this top one, so it became unsecure. I had to retighten it. So maybe it is worth putting a little paint mark between the hood and the hood mount, just so you know that it is lined up. Luckily for me, I had some dirt left over, so I was able to see exactly where I had to line it up. I'm going to leave this hose unclipped for now. I'll show you why. Now this is where the heat gun comes in. I found that on the other side when I shut the hood, the back of the bracket was pushing down on the plastic trim at the bottom of the windshield. I have left the hose for the windshield washer unplugged because I don't want to melt that. So I'm going to put the heat gun on here. I'm going to push it down a little bit with the little hammer I have here, and then I will try shutting the hood. If it doesn't shut all the way, I'll just continue heating this until I've managed to manipulate it enough that it doesn't push up on the bottom of the bracket here. Now that I've shut it, I'm going to heat from the top a little bit just so the bracket itself can help deform the plastic trim here to a suitable place. So this is the final result with the bracket. You can see there's a slight gap here along the edge of the hood. I probably could have been a little more aggressive with the melting of the plastic back here so that it didn't push up, but I'm happy with that. And it's the same on the passenger side. Slight gap here. Again, I could have been a little more aggressive with the melting of the plastic there, but I chose to leave it how it is.